Hello everyone. In this video, we will open an electric toothbrush and we will see what are the parts it has inside. So without any further delay, let us get started. So this is the Care Smith Spark Rechargeable Toothbrush. I got this from Amazon and we'll try to open it. So this is the main cover. Inside this, we will get one charging cable. This is the main body. One nutrition, and let's check do we have anything else or not. So I think we have one more brushing unit. So let's keep this aside as of now and we'll see the main body. So this is the main power button, and as I turn it on, its main spindle is vibrating eccentrically, and there are few more modes has given to speed up this spindle. Yeah, so on the back hand side, you can see they have given a charger slot, so you can charge it. This is the C-type charger, and you can charge with USB type. Yeah, so this is the main body, and with this power button, you can switch the speed and get the brushing effect. So let me mount the bristle on the top of it and we will see how it works. So as you can see, I have already mounted this top up bristle unit on the main body, and let's try to turn it on. So I hope you can listen and also see the bristling effect over here. As you increase the speed, this will vibrate a little more. And I hope you can see this bristle are also moving longitudinal as well as a perpendicular axis to get you the bristling effect. This is the last mode. Yeah, so I think we have checked out all the modes. So it has 3 maximum speed and 2 different kind of movement of bristles. Yeah, let's try to separate out the top part. Yeah, I feel very snappy. So now let's consider this main housing, and inside this I hope there will be an electric motor, one battery unit, and of course the shaft which is connected to the electric motor that will not rotate in a singular or we can straight axis, but it will be an eccentric motion to give the bristling effects. So now let's try to open it. So the only place where I can think to open it is from the bottom. So removing this back cover from this bottom unit area. So let's try to remove it. So let's try to remove it, this back cover. So you can see over here, this is connected to this battery, this port, and this bottom cover is designed really well. It has given a lot of snaps to cover it in this bottom area. This one, water, and now we will try to pull this body which is holding the battery unit. So let me try to do that as well. So this is the another sub-assembly which is holding the battery, and it's snapped really well inside this cylindrical portion. As you can see over here, the shapes that they have given, right? It designed such a like that. Once it is goes inside, it snaps really well on the wall of the cylinder. All right, so let me remove this whole unit. Let me keep this all aside right now. So now as we remove the main body, so you can see over here, there is one PCB unit where it has one switching button over here. And on the other side, we have one battery, rechargeable battery, 500 mAh and 3.7 volt. Now let's try to turn it on and we'll see how it rotates the top up. All right. So I need to turn it on, right? Yeah, this front portion is vibrates a lot, and I can feel a lot of vibration when I touching my finger over here, right? So over here, there should be like one spindle over here. So we'll try to remove it as well now. And these are the like modes and the different kind of listening effect we will get when we are changing the mode over here. So this is the like front portion over here, right? And I want to see what is the inside over here, right? So let's try to remove as well. So let me remove this front enclosure. Right. And now I need to separate these two parts. Yeah. This material is very much kind of rubbery thing. So it's a kind of gasket only. But yeah, so to remove this front portion, what I feel like there is no any mechanism given to take out that housing. So what I'm thinking, I need to cut this part and we can take out the front portion to basically see what's inside. So let me try to do that as well. So I just have tried to remove the front portion, and this area I found that there is a, like one small spindle which can rotate, right? Like this. Basically a motor, and this is the like eccentric load which keeps the rotational movement, right? And this is the two terminal connection which is going inside this. Unfortunately, I have broken the plastic top cover, so I can't make it to assemble now. But here you can see still this person is working, right? So we can figure out some other parts as well. So on the back side, you will see one battery. Let me take it out, right? This part is glued over here with some kind of tape. Holy shit. So earlier I was thinking this is a motor housing, but it's not. It's like only the weight they are given in the product to feel it more heavier. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly consider subscribing this channel. I will see you all in my next video.